Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be discussing addition and subtraction facts to 18. For our warm-up, let's review our numbers by counting from 1 to 18. Count with me as we count from 1 to 18. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Good work, boys and girls. All right, we will be practicing adding and subtracting up to 18 today. Let's get started. Let's get to adding. So for this, you are going to need a piece of paper to write on and some type of writing utensil. Go ahead and get that right now. All right, there will be an addition fact up to 18 on the screen. It will show you the fact, and then you will be able to write down your answer, and we will check your answer together. So let's do the first one together. The first one says 9 plus 3 equals. So on your piece of paper, write down, what does 9 plus 3 equal? Okay, let's check your answer. 9 plus 3 equals 12. If you said 12, great job. Let's go to the next problem. 9 plus 9. What does 9 plus 9 equal? Go ahead and write that down on your paper. Okay, let's check. 9 plus 9 equals 18. All right, next problem. Our next problem says 9 plus 1 equals. Go ahead and write your answer to that down on your paper. What does 9 plus 1 equal? All right, let's check it. 9 plus 1 equals 10. All right, 2 more addition facts, boys and girls. The next one is 9 plus 7. What does 9 plus 7 equal? Go ahead and write that down on your paper. All right, let's check your answer. 9 plus 7 equals 16. If you had 16 down, awesome work. Let's do our last addition fact to 18. The last one says 9 plus 6. What does 9 plus 6 equal? All right, let's check your answer. 9 plus 6 equals 15. Boys and girls, another way you could have thought of this equation is, we see here this was 9 plus 7, and this equation is 9 plus 6. So we know 6 is 1 less than 7. So our answer should be 1 less. Our answer to the second equation should be 1 less than our answer to this equation, which it is. 15 is 1 less than 16. Awesome work, boys and girls. Now we are going to practice subtracting our subtraction facts up to 18. All right, we're going to do the same thing. An equation will appear on the screen. Go ahead and write down on your paper what the answer to that equation is. Our first equation says 18 minus 2. 18 minus 2 equals what? Let's check your answer. Your answer should be 16. 18 minus 2 equals 16. Good, let's go to the next equation. The next equation says 18 minus 9 equals blank. Go ahead and write down your answer to that. What is 18 minus 9? Okay, let's check your answer. 18 minus 9 equals 9. Good work. Let's go to our next equation. 18 minus 15 equals what? Go ahead and write down your answer. What is 18 minus 15? Okay, let's check your work. 18 minus 15 equals 3. If you had 3, give yourself a pat on the back. Good work. Okay, 2 more. 18 minus 11. What does 18 minus 11 equal? Okay, let's check your work. 18 minus 11 equals 7. If you had 7, great job. Last equation. 18 minus 6 equals 18 minus 6 equals what? Okay, let's check your work. 18 minus 6 equals 12. If you had 12, great job. Great work today, boys and girls, practicing adding and subtracting up to 18. See you next time.